How to delete Facebook watched video history in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to your Facebook app, and when you are on the home page, then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, scroll to the bottom, and then click on the settings and privacy, and this main menu appears, and then you have to click on the settings. After that you have to scroll down and scroll down till you see the Facebook information tab, and then click on the activity log. When you click on the activity log, then you can in the under the archive and trace, you can see this story, activity, page likes, and this a pop-up window in the under this button, archive and trace button. So what you have to do is you have to scroll to the left, and then you can see all these things, but you have to click on the videos watched. So you have to find videos watched and then click on the videos watched, and when you click on the videos you watched, then here you can see the videos I have watched. So that's it, that how you can do this. So I have watched very less videos, so you can't see the more videos, but in your case, then there is more videos. So that's basically that how you can see your Facebook watched video history. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good